Hey, Dan Lawson here with AB Homes, Suffolk, Isle of Wight County, and the surrounding Hampton Roads area's premier custom home builder. If you are looking at building a home in Suffolk, Virginia, here's what you need to know. For over a decade, AB Homes has specialized in building rural, custom construction homes on 1+ acres in Suffolk and the surrounding areas. We love properties that don't have any deed restrictions, no HOAs, nobody telling you how high your grass has to be cut, what color your front door has to be, what color your siding on your home can be. At AB Homes, we have land already in our inventory, or if you already own a lot, we can build on your land. A lot of times we'll have people reach out to us that already own their piece of land and they're looking for a custom home builder that they can trust. So a lot of times we'll get questions about floor plans. AB Homes has a lot of floor plans. We've been doing this for a long time. So we have some single level homes. We have some single level homes with rooms over the garage. We have 2-story homes with a primary bedroom downstairs. Some of our plans even have 2 primary bedrooms downstairs. Although we do have an extensive list of standard floor plans, I do have my favorites. The Branton model, which the home that Eric and I built was based off of that home. We love the Garthright 2, another nice flowing 1-floor home with a large room over the garage. And the reigning champ, and still one of our absolute most popular homes, is the Augusta model. The Augusta model's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a little over 2,400 square foot, and it is the best bang for the buck. If you're looking for some space and need a lot of bedrooms, you can't go wrong with the Augusta. And once again, don't ever forget that none of our plans are set in stone. If you have a floor plan that you kind of like, but it's not quite there, we can make modifications and change it to make this home fit your needs. Another thing that our clients really appreciate about the building process with AB Homes is all the walkthroughs and access we give to the property. AB Homes really has nothing to hide, and we are so transparent on what we do throughout the build. So we do a foundation walkthrough, we do a framing walkthrough. Once the house is roughed in with electrical, HVAC, and plumbing, we do a walkthrough so you can see what's behind the walls. When the drywall goes up, we do a walkthrough. When we paint it, we put the trim in, we put the cabinets in, we invite you in so you can really see the home coming together. When the project's finished, we do a blue tape walkthrough so you can really kind of scrutinize the overall finish of the house. And if there's something that you think needs to be done a little bit better, we're more than happy to let you stick some blue tape on there. We're gonna send our finishing crew in and get it all taken care of for you. And then before you go to closing, we're gonna do a final walkthrough to make sure this house is as good as we can possibly get it. But you will be in the know every step of the process. So if you'd like to learn more about how AB Homes can build your dreams in your new home, please find us on the web at abhomesva.com. You can find all the information you need to know on our floor plans, our pricing, and how to set up your next step to meet with us and talk about how we can build your dream home. You can call me directly at 757-435-9900. And please like and subscribe so we can keep you in the know on all the happenings of AB Homes and where we're building, what we're building, and about the beautiful areas that we build in.